So to get started with Wobb for Influencers application, the first thing you have to do is you have to register yourself with your mobile number and OTP. Once you're registered, you can see this space. So in the space, you can see all the campaigns that are currently live on Wobb. In the space here, you can see all your endorsed campaigns and you can go about working on them. And in the settings tab, you see your earnings, which is your wallet, your bank details, and your account. So two of the most important thing that you have to keep in mind before you go on to endorse your campaign is fill your profile section and connect your account. So let's see, you fill your profile with basic details, and you have to really be careful while filling your profile because all the campaigns eligibility are based on your profile, especially for languages and interest section, because all the campaigns majorly depend on it. So in eligibility, you can basically select all the categories that you think you belong to, or the kind of content that you make, or the audience who watches your content. So for example, mine, I'll choose advertising and marketing, startups, and I guess a few more here and there, movies and TV. That's about it. Alright, now once you're done, you can update the details here. Now as you see, my details are updated, so you can connect a social media profile as well. So once you have connected your social media profile, you can see your engagement rate and your follower count here, and it keeps getting updated based on our algorithm. Then you can add bank details here later as well. You can click on this option and update all the details. So these details basically will help us transfer your earning from your wallet to your bank. Now let's go about endorsing your first campaign. Let's see. Now once we are done, once we have connected our social media profile, we have entered all our basic details, and we can do the bank account later. Let's go to the dashboard section. Now for example, this is the campaign that I want to endorse. I think I'm eligible for it. I can check the details here, the earnings here, as well as what the campaign would require me to do, and I can go ahead and endorse this campaign. Now if you're eligible, the campaign will be instantly endorsed and the brand will be notified. Now in case you're not eligible, it will just show you an error saying you're not eligible for campaign. So that makes life easier for us. Now once you endorse a campaign, it directly gets removed from the dashboard section and gets transferred to your store section. Now here you can see the details of the campaign, all the details that you'll need to know about the brand, as well as the tasks you have to do. Now another thing that we have to keep in mind is the deadlines, and as you can see, this we have the start date here and we have the end date here. So this is the timeline where we have to complete our entire campaign. Now in order to fast track things, one should always get started on the campaign as early as possible. So let's go and see view task. Now in order to complete your campaign successfully, you need to complete all the deliverables that are provided by the brand. Now here we have two deliverables, Instagram static post and a story. So let's say I want to complete this deliverable. Now I have the instruction, I have the brief, I have any external guidelines that I need to follow, I have the resources that I can use provided by the brand, I have all the tags that I need to use, and I also have a redirection URL that the brand wants me to use. Now once I have created my content, I can always upload the sample here to get approval. For example, let's say upload. Now for example, imagine this is the content I've made, so I can select it and I can send it for approval. Now as you can see, the status automatically changes from pending to approval pending. Now we'll have to wait and see what the brand has to say about it. Now once you have submitted your content for approval, you can view it here. You can go to view task, and in the last section we submitted our content for Instagram static post, and we can see the brand has rejected it, and they have also given reason as to why they rejected it. Now once you submit a campaign, the brand can either reject it or accept it. They can reject it and they can give you a reason, and you will have to redo the content and submit it again. So let's say whatever they said, okay, I agree, and now I have already made a new post, so I'll just go ahead and select it here. Now I can resend it to get an approval again. Approval pending. So after the resubmission, we can see this time the brand has approved our content. So now what we have to do is we can go ahead and actually submit the proof of the post, which is a screenshot and a post link. So let's do that. Now to upload the screenshot, we need to make sure all of this is followed. The redirection link is used. Once I have posted the content, I can take a screenshot of this simply this way, where I have highlighted all the tagged brands and all the tag mentions, and you can also see all the hashtags that I was supposed to use, and also the paid partnership with the brand name. Now once I do this, I can go ahead and upload the proof from here. And we also need the link of the post for the post to be tracked properly. We can copy this link here and we can paste it here and submit. Once you submit, the verification shows pending, and once it's done, our delivery will be complete. Now once the brand approves the final content, if they are satisfied with the screenshot, if they are satisfied with the metrics and everything, you can see the status will be changed to posted, and this deliverable is done. Similarly, we can repeat the deliverable for this one. We can follow all the details and everything, and once that's done, our campaign would be complete. Now once you have completed all the deliverables, the status will change to posted. You have no more deliverables to complete. This campaign is completely done, and once that happens, within 3 days of the campaign completion or the last day of the campaign, the earnings will reflect in this section, and you can update your bank details here, and we will transfer all your earnings to your bank account at a request. That's about it. Thank you for watching. In case of any queries, you can obviously always contact us here. You can click on this button and you can just simply chat with our support here.